Hello guys, how you doing? Welcome to our channel. I'm Alexandros, with me is Andrea, and we're from the Island of Cyprus, and we break down salsa and bachata moves. We also do them to music. And if you like to see this move to music, you can check the info cards or the description below. I call this the sensual touch because we have some nice little combinations, and in the middle we have some sensual touching. So usually I get started from this position where it's the promenade in this direction, but for this specific move, it has more visual field if we do it on this direction. So let's get started. We start off with the basic, like always. 5, 6, lift the right hand up. Now, the lady is very used to turning inside, but we're going to do something a little bit strange. We're going to push outside. Now, she walks backwards in order to get that walk into balance. It's not really easy, but try it a couple times and the ladies will pick it up. Then straight away with both hands, 5, 6, 7, 8. Try to keep this up on the elbow so you have a lot of space here. 1, 2, you wear it over the lady's head. 3, 4, you put your own left hand like a t-shirt. And then 4 counts. 5, 6, 7. Rotate around yourself so the lady changes direction. Now here guys, the lady's going to walk backwards and you're going to turn to the right. 1, 2, 3. Change the hand and prepare the lady for a little turn. I don't know what that was. I think it's a mobile. Sorry, guys. And turn, 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 and catch. Walk backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Rotate. I hope you can see what I was doing there. Just holding here and putting the hand over. Now push the lady back. 1, 2, 3, 4 to your right side. And just like you would do the Titanic in salsa, but a little bit smoother. Take all 4 counts. 5, 6, 7, 8, and we open up the lady's hand. Now we come to the smooth touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's only 1 beat. And 8, we open up the lady's hands. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we can't really do it slow, guys, so we're just going to do 1.5. But you can add 1 more, put the hand over the head straight away by 8, and then grab the lady's hand and swivel it around. 1, 2, 3 for preparation, another, and another. So a double preparation. Instead of going once, you will go 2 beats and 2 beats and moving around 5, 6, 7, excuse me, 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Because 5, 6, 7, 8, we want to bend the knees, grab the lady's knee with our own knees and push up our butt so the lady goes into dip and comes back up. Body wave, 1, 2, 3, 4, shake the knees guys, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you come back up. That's why I kept it diagonal. You can stay here if you like, it really doesn't matter so much. And from here, the hand has to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and prepare out. Then bring her in 5, 6, she has only 2 beats, 7, 8. Grab the lady for a nice little rotation, and finish off into a position here. Of course, this is just for the move. The finishing, you can keep on dancing for that one. Guys, I hope you like it. Make sure you comment and rate. Once again, I'm Alexandros, with me is Andrea. We are from the Island of Cyprus. And if you like to support our work, we're just getting started. To get better cameras, better microphone, we have our Patreon right here. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.